Love can conquer all, even the most challenging circumstances. Join us as we explore the top 15 forced marriage Turkish drama series that will tug at your heartstrings. These captivating stories delve into the complexities of love, family, and societal pressures. From forbidden love to unexpected alliances, these series will take you on an emotional roller coaster. Witness the strength of human spirit as characters fight for their happiness, defy societal norms, and ultimately find love in the most unexpected places. So, grab your tissues and prepare to be swept away by the power of love in these compelling Turkish dramas. Yanadin is a Turkish drama series that revolves around Zeynep, a young woman who wakes up in a hospital with no memory of her past. As she struggles to piece together her life, she encounters a mysterious man named Yener, who claims to be her husband. The series delves into themes of love, loss, and the complexities of human relationships. It explores the impact of trauma on memory and identity, as Zeynep grapples with her blurred lines between reality and illusion. With its captivating storyline, strong performances, and exploration of psychological depth, Yanadin offers a compelling and emotional viewing experience. Sia J. Black Pearl is a Turkish romantic drama series that follows the story of Hazal, a beautiful young woman engaged to her childhood sweetheart, Kenan. However, her life takes an unexpected turn when she is forced to marry a wealthy businessman, Vural. The series explores themes of love, betrayal, and obsession as Hazal struggles to reconcile her feelings for Kenan with her new life as Vural's life. The story is filled with dramatic twists, emotional roller coaster rides, and stunning visuals, making it a popular choice among Turkish drama enthusiasts. Yali Kapkani is a popular Turkish television series that has gained significant popularity both domestically and internationally. It's a romantic drama that follows the story of Siran, a young woman from a modest family who is forced to marry Ferit, a wealthy and arrogant man from a prestigious family. The series explores themes of love, family, social class, and tradition. As Siran enters the opulent world of the Korhan family, she challenges their rigid norms and expectations, leading to conflicts and misunderstandings. This series is known for its stunning visuals, captivating performances, and intricate plot lines. Emanat Legacy is a Turkish drama series that follows the story of Kevser, a young woman from a humble background who marries into a wealthy family. However, tragedy strikes when her husband passes away, leaving her alone to raise their young son, Yusuf. Kevser finds herself navigating the complexities of life within the wealthy Kerimi family, facing challenges and obstacles at every turn. Despite the hardships, she remains strong and resilient, determined to protect her son and secure a better future for him. The series delves into themes of love, loss, family, and perseverance. It explores the emotional journey of Kevser as she fights to overcome adversity and find happiness amidst the chaos. Haruke is a Turkish drama series known for its intense love story and dramatic plot. It revolves around Rayyan, a young woman from a powerful family, and Miran, a mysterious man who seeks revenge against the Sadoglu family. As their paths cross, a passionate and tumultuous love story unfolds. However, their love is complicated by family feuds, betrayal, and tragic past. The series explores themes of love, loss, revenge, and the enduring power of human connection. Yemen, The Promise, is a Turkish drama series that revolves around a young woman named Rehan, who is forced into a marriage with Emir, a wealthy businessman. Despite their initial differences and conflicts, Rehan and Emir gradually develop a deep bond, overcoming challenges and obstacles together. The series delves into themes of love, family, and sacrifice. It explores the complexities of marriage, the power of forgiveness, and the importance of staying true to oneself. With its emotional storyline, strong performances, and beautiful visuals, Yemen has captivated audiences and become a popular Turkish drama. Sea Beyaz Aşk Black and White Love is a Turkish romantic drama series that aired in 2017 to 2018. It tells the story of Azli, a young and kind-hearted woman, and Ferhat, a hardened criminal with a troubled past. Despite their vastly different backgrounds and personalities, Azli and Ferhat find themselves drawn to each other. Their love story is filled with passion, danger, and unexpected twists and turns. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and redemption as the two protagonists navigate the complexities of their relationship and the challenges they face. Kizgunsi Winter Sun is a Turkish drama series that revolves around a complex plot of revenge and identity. The story centers around a young man named Efe, who assumes the identity of his deceased twin brother Mete. Efe embarks on a mission to avenge his father's death and reclaim his family's stolen fortune. As he delves deeper into this dangerous game, he encounters love, betrayal, and unexpected challenges. The series is known for its suspenseful storyline, strong performances, and beautiful cinematography. Alkazi, The Girl Named Destiny, is a Turkish drama series that revolves around the life of Zehra, a young woman who is forced to marry a wealthy man named Kaan. While initially reluctant, Zehra eventually falls in love with Kaan and starts a new life with him. However, their happiness is short-lived as a tragic accident turns their world upside down. The series delves into themes of love, loss, and the power of destiny. It explores the challenges and triumphs of Zehra as she navigates through difficult circumstances and strives to rebuild her life. Sen Çal Kapımı, Love is in the Air is a popular Turkish romantic comedy series. It follows the story of Eda Yıldız, a bright and determined young woman with big dreams of becoming a landscape architect. Her plans are disrupted when she crosses paths with the arrogant and wealthy businessman Serkan Bolat. A series of misunderstandings and conflicts leads to a fake engagement between Eda and Serkan, which eventually blossoms into a genuine romance. The series is known for its charming characters, witty dialogue, and beautiful setting. It explores themes of love, friendship, and the pursuit of dreams. Şahane Damat, Perfect Groom is a Turkish romantic comedy series. Melike, a young and struggling woman in Istanbul, lies to her family in Germany about her successful career, wealthy lifestyle, and her engagement to a doctor named Mehmet. To maintain her deception, she blackmails Mehmet, a real doctor who is already engaged to someone else, into pretending to be her fiancé. As Melike's family visits Istanbul, chaos ensues as they try to keep up the facade. The series follows the comedic misadventures, misunderstandings, and budding romance between Melike and Mehmet. Despite the initial deceit, their fake relationship slowly evolves into genuine feelings. Zemre is a Turkish drama series that tells the story of Firoz and Ayaz, two young individuals whose lives intertwine due to a tragic accident. Firoz's father is wrongly accused of causing the accident, and Ayaz, burdened with guilt, takes it upon himself to rectify the situation. As their paths cross, a complex and passionate relationship develops between Firoz and Ayaz. They navigate through challenges, misunderstandings, and family conflicts, all while trying to uncover the truth behind the accident. The series explores themes of love, loss, sacrifice, and the power of destiny. Zumurud Anka, The Phoenix is a Turkish drama series that tells the story of Zumurud, a young woman who works for the wealthy Demirkan family. Despite facing numerous challenges and betrayals within the family, Zumurud remains strong and resilient, striving for a better life for herself and her family. The series explores themes of love, loss, revenge, and the power of hope. As Zumurud navigates the complexities of the Demirkan family, she discovers hidden secrets, faces dangerous threats, and falls in love with Serhat, a member of the family. The series is known for its dramatic plot twist, beautiful cinematography, and strong performances. Shaka Bani is a Turkish drama series that follows a complex love story between Mete and Naz, two individuals from wealthy families. Childhood friends and betrothed, they are set to marry. However, fate intervenes when Naz's mate, Angela, enters the picture. Angela, who has secretly loved Mete for years, complicates the situation. Her unexpected appearance sparks a whirlwind of emotions and challenges the established dynamics between Mete and Naz. As Mete's feeling of Angela grow, he finds himself torn between his childhood promise and his newfound affection. The series delves into themes of love, betrayal, family secrets, and societal expectations. With its intricate plot, emotional depth, and stunning visuals, Sakrabani keeps viewers engaged with its suspenseful twists and turns. Guljimal is a Turkish drama series that revolves around a complex love story between two individuals from vastly different backgrounds. Guljimal, abandoned by his mother as a child, returns to his hometown with a thirst of revenge against his mother and her family. He encounters Diva, a strong willed and independent woman, and their initial interactions are marked by animosity. However, as they spend more time together, a deep and passionate love begins to blossom between them. This series explores themes of love, hate, revenge, and redemption as the characters grapple with their past and their uncertain futures. These captivating Turkish dramas will take you on an emotional roller coaster of love, loss, and redemption. Have you watched any of these? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.